So hey guys, it's Seb. And we're coming at you with a short vlog today. Well, Seb minus Mariah actually. But we're here. We were supposed to be watching the Dukes game, but no, it's fine. So we found this little place down there. It's got a lot of rocks and water, and it's just really cute and naturey, which I usually hate, honestly, but we're going. And then there's like a tunnel that goes underneath, and we want to find where it comes out. So here we go. Guys, I'm gonna go down this way. All right, so here we go into the
Hallie, you can go first.
water.
Okay.
Yep. I don't want to be the last one though, please.
Yes, no, you have to because you're recording us.
Fine. Guys, is the penguin way the best way to do this?
Wait, can we just walk through it? Unless you want to get hypothermia, I guess.
It's too cold to like actually step in it because it's like not warm enough weather yet.
I'm doing the penguin way because I can't keep balance.
Same.
Unless I go like this. But that's
Yeah, your legs are long around.
oh yeah.
Guys, why do you go so fast? Wait for me.
Sorry, dude.
I'm the one that's recording.
This is like what the thing was when it was dripping, but it's like
There's a mosquito.
Okay, so
oh, what does this say?
so then it like goes, the water goes up.
That says Tyler.
Okay, guys, can you move so that they can see what when it goes up? So it goes up and there was a moth.
Oh.
Look at how disgusting that is, Chloe.
Ugh, that's really gross. Okay. Guys, this is really spooky. I don't like it. Is that one slippery?
I actually touched this side.
Ew. Nasty. I don't want to go any farther.
Chloe, come on, it's not slippery. None of them are.
But it's spooky.
Chloe, what's gonna happen?
I don't know.
Chloe, just come on.
So we're underneath the road right now.
Be a different story if it was like,
Guys, I don't want to go all the way.
dude, come on.
And we're close. We're close.
Okay, it's dripping in here.
It was dripping before too. My screen is freaking nasty and wet now. Guys!
Okay, now it's where it's dripping from the side.
yeah, this is where it's gross.
Yeah, like what the frick?
No, it's. Oh, it is. That looks like disgusting chili on the wall.
Yeah.
What if this is like poop?
It's not food. This is gonna do it. They're gonna dump
Is it slippery? Is that slippery?
No. It's not that long, so I'm just dump it. Oh,
Guys.
it's here.
I don't know what to do.
Chloe, just put your leg over it.
Guys!
There you go, Chloe.
How am I supposed to get back? Guys, wait for me. You fricktards. I see the light. I see the light. Ah! Oh my God, we made it.
Mosquitoes. What the heck?
Oh,
Gross.
are they mosquitoes though?
Yeah.
Oh, gross. Hallie, go. I don't want to friggin' stand on this much longer. Okay, so this is where it came out. It's actually a really cute area. It's just really gross and buggy. And I'm sweaty. I should not have worn long sleeves. Oh, it's by this person's house. Ouch. Ouch. Ow. Ow.
Poison ivy, right?
It probably is, honestly. Ouch. I'm going around this way. Nature is not my scene, guys. Ouch. I really hope the viewers like this because I am in a lot of pain and that was pretty traumatizing and I'm just, ow, not okay. Ouch. Guys, wait! Guys, I bet I have like 6 infections on my feet now because of that. Because of you. I did it for you. I'm gonna get hit smack dab. That was really crazy, guys. Whew, I'm not okay with that. Whew, guys, that was 5 minutes of filming. That might actually be a solid vlog. Whew. And we'll see you in a sec. So here we are, giving Gabby money for ice cream. By ice cream, we mean malt cups, right? Yeah. Good luck. See you later. Let's venture back down. I'm going the steep way. It's easier and it hurts less. I think my feet are slowly getting used to nature, guys.
Slowly getting used to nature?
What? Like, I wanted to be outside yesterday. What?
It was awesome outside yesterday.
It was. Me and Megan and Jenna were doing stuff outside.
Mariah went to the cities with Saya and Nate. So we went shopping.
Nate? Oh, yeah, Nate.
Then we went downtown. Then we went back to my house and we watched Hotel for Dogs.
That's
Because we got it at the library. Are you vlogging right now?
No. Don't touch that to my phone. Okay, you need to back it up if you want it in the shot, kid.
Oh, sorry.
It's wounded. Oh. Is that the one that you threw? You threw him again?
Well, it's in the dirt now, so.
Gee. My feet hurt. Same, I want to sit.
Oh, frick, spiderweb.
Nah, spiders are not very scary unless they're poisonous spiders.
Oh, I'm sitting up here.
So I just took a time lapse of me talking instead of actually recording. Woohoo! So, Gabby got the stuff. She just was wondering what kind of spoons we want. So, it's really gross. It kind of hurts. Is that noise someone pounding on it, or is this cars going over it?
Oh, there's worms drowning right now.
Save them!
I am saving them. Oh god, there's something funny right now.
Recording for that.
God. Oh my god. Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
I just dropped it and I caught it with my pinky like this. Oh my
Lucky.
god.
So we're just chilling. My gross white feet, I know. And this cute little waterfall over here. We found a good place to just sit. Hey, Gabby!
Gabby!
We found a good spot to
I can
sit
help
with our
you
feet
with
in the
that,
water. Hallie dropped her phone and almost dropped it in between the crevice of the...
So she dropped it in the water?
No, it almost went in the water. Woo! Malt cups! Yeah! Good treat when you're in nature, huh, Gabby?
Uh-huh.
So hi, we're back. We finished our malt cups. Well, me and Gabby did. And Gabby's really upset with how hairy this rock is. She feels bad for it. So she's gonna go shave it.
It's cold, I can't even see.
You can't see it on
Pick
the
it up,
video.
Gabby.
What? Oh, the algae? Or what? My foot just touched Mr. Moss.
Oh god.
I feel bad for it. It has to have that on it. Ugh.
Yeah, that's why I feel so bad.
Yeah, you should shave it better.
Shave the whole thing.
Wrong. No, not of the one.
There's a worm!
Underneath.
Look,
there's so many!
Alright, I'm gonna go pick it up. Holy shoot! That was so fat! Look at that.
Oh my god, it's so
Yeah, give it to me.
You take it.
Oh my god.
What the heck?
That's what Mr. Moss is made out of.
Fat worms. Oh my god, please don't touch me with that, but I want to get a good view of
Put
it.
in the spoon.
No, don't
It looks
put it
like
in
a
the spoon.
leech, kind of.
Put in the spoon, Hallie.
Oh,
so you can get it.
it's not getting, it's getting unfat.
Well, yeah,
like
once
scrunched
once
up.
it stretches out. Gabby,
Pretend like you're eating it.
Gabby eats a worm. I can't. Okay.
Yummy.
Clickbait.
No, Gabby! it.
Go save it. Rescue it.
No, that one's fat.
Hallie rescues a worm. I can see it moving. It's trying to escape.
Yeah, I know.
There's more!
Oh my god, there's even more.
There's 2 more.
Oh my god, holy crap, Chloe, come here. I just picked up this.
It's a nest of them, literally. What the heck? Someone turn their flashlight on that so that I can actually
Oh
see
my
it.
God.
Oh, there. Get your
Hallie,
shadow.
get
Move
your
your shadow
shadow
out of the
out.
way. Holy
Pick up
crap.
more rocks.
I'm not. No! Chloe,
There's
take this worm.
so freaking many of them. No, just no.
Animal abuse?
It's fine.
Oh my god, that's disgusting. Ah! Why are there worms under everything?
Yeah, give me the stick.
Oh my god, that one's gonna be nasty. Move your shadow. Move your shadow.
Oh my god.
There's a fat one.
That one's so fat. Oh my god, I'm picking it up. Oh my god.
It's getting fat. It's getting fat. Hallie, Gabby just killed your worm.
I threw it in the crevice.
Oh my
It looks
god.
like a brain just dispersed.
It literally feels like a snake.
Oh no, I'm please don't bring it near me. Hallie, please, seriously. Hallie, I'm actually begging you.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wait, I don't even see a lot of them. Oh my god! I don't know where to zoom in. It's hard to see it.
Oh my god, Gabby, just let me like lift them up with my Oh my god.
Why are there so many worms? What the heck? Why can't it just be pretty like that? Why does it have to be wormy? Almost fell into the
That
leech
rock
rock.
is painful. I hate that one. Is it shoe time? I feel like it's shoe
I feel like it
time.
is
I'm not
shoe
gonna
time.
Get back in there.
Do you guys want to be done? Because now I'm like just disgusted by all of the worms that I'm like scared of going in. Our adventure is coming to an end, CBs. So hey guys, we are now walking to the dollar store because why?
I don't know. We're just going.
Well, I mean, we need to get Twix for Brittany, so we're just going to the dollar store for no reason, for a good old fun time. And whatever we get, we'll update you. We're probably going to be there in like 20 minutes, so we'll see you when we get there. Gabby, what happened? Yes, score, and there it is in the distance, the Dollar Tree. Yeet! Okay, so we're here and we are back and we got our stuff. So I got a limeade cherry Minute Maid and we don't have spoons, so we're just chowing down on it. Hallie got a Lunchable thing and
And a bag of Funyuns and 2 beef sticks.
yeah, all for $5.
I paid for Chloe's, by the way.
Yeah, because I don't have money. Okay.
Wait, Gabby, weren't you gonna pay for hers because she gave you $1 before? I paid for her malt.
I paid $1 for her malt.
But I paid $1 for your thing at the mall.
Right.
So that was like,
Whatever.
A mug for Mother's Day.
oh yeah.
I got
Mom
the
is
same
just
thing
wow.
as you,
Yep.
and then I got a cookies and cream milkshake.
Oh yeah. So yeah, we're on our way back to Gabby's now. It's gonna be a nice long trek, but then we'll get to chill. So yeah. So we've arrived back at Gabby's and okay, so we're done on our journey
Thank God.
and we will see you next time
You're vlogging.
on the Pokemon show. But actually it'll probably be in like a month, so bye.